Good Tuesday morning. It's 6:11. I want to get you sent out the door and on your way to wherever you might need to be on this Tuesday morning. We are dealing with some fog in some parts of the valley this morning. Some areas seeing some dense fog. And then through this afternoon, we'll see a mostly cloudy sky and a few passing showers. Temperatures in Fargo will be warming into the 80s. So let's take a look at our visibilities right now. Here in Fargo, the reading at the airport in North Fargo, visibility is at 6 miles. But take a look at west central Minnesota where you see more of the green shading. That's where we're seeing some more dense fog. Visibility is still at 0 and has been for the better part of an hour in Detroit Lakes. Brainerd area now down to 0 visibility as well. Around a quarter mile in Bemidji and Wadena, half mile in Fergus Falls, 2.5 miles in Oaks, even down to 4 miles now at this time in Grand Forks. Roseau, Baudette, Hallock, Langdon, still seeing visibility around 10 miles. You can see just that shallow layer of fog here in Fargo. The sun is trying to peek out behind there. Currently can't see it at this view. But let's take a look at our current conditions. 64 degrees with a mostly cloudy sky. Wind is out of the north at 7 miles per hour. Humidity still at 96%. So if your hair gets frizzy like mine on a day with high humidity, you might need a little extra hairspray before you step outside. 66 degrees, mostly cloudy sky in Grand Forks at this hour. Wind is out of the north-northeast at 12 miles per hour. Temperatures across the entire region are in the 60s. And our dew point temperatures are in the 60s as well. So when those two numbers are close together, that means the humidity is quite high. We're quiet in terms of precipitation this morning. There was a brief thunder shower that passed through Grand Forks around 4 o'clock this morning. That is long gone, no trace of it. A few sprinkles near the Can-Do area in Towner County north of Devil's Lake. And then off in western North Dakota, eastern Montana, and now into the extreme northwestern corner of South Dakota, seeing some strong and severe thunderstorm activity, and there is a severe thunderstorm watch in place for that area. I do have good news though. I expect most of that to kind of fall apart as we go throughout the rest of the morning. So clearing conditions for western North Dakota. We'll see a few showers here across the Red River Valley. So I expect increasing clouds through the next several hours. And by late morning, early afternoon is when I think we'll start to see some of those showers pushing in. Maybe a rumble of thunder or two, but no severe weather expected for our afternoon hours. This evening, there is potential for some severe weather down far to the south and west, including areas like Oaks, Ellendale, and Edgeley. Might get clipped with a strong to severe thunderstorm, but the majority of that activity remains down to our south and to the west. By tomorrow morning, waking up to mostly cloudy skies, a few lingering showers or sprinkles, and then another chance for some stormy activity off to the west, sliding down to the south and east into the late evening hours. Here's the severe weather outlook for today. Again, a very sharp cutoff. So Oaks in that level 1 out of 5 risk for severe, but Ellendale in that level 2 out of 5 risk for severe. Wind and hail being the primary threats with any of those severe storms that do develop. Temperatures this afternoon will be very mild in the 70s to some 80s, fairly seasonal conditions. But again, a fairly cloudy and overcast sky. And again, we've been in an unsettled pattern. We have continued chances almost daily for some showers or some thunderstorms. The good news, it won't be a washout. Not everywhere is going to get stormed on every day, so that's some good news there. But it's a good time to have that Valley News Live weather app handy because you can have live radar right at your fingertips and know exactly for your location.
Yeah, that's super handy if you're out on the lake still. Maybe you have a long week and, you know, it can be one of those things where the lake next door gets a little passing showers, but
exactly
doesn't hit you.
Right.
All right. Thank you, Summer.